Today, we will talk about change, loss, unexpected endings, and the simple truth that life always continues moving forward. Sometimes everything changes so quietly that you don't notice until one day, your entire life suddenly feels completely different. Maybe someone once made your ordinary days beautiful, and you believed their presence would remain part of your life forever. But people change, feelings change, priorities change, and sometimes two people slowly become strangers without even realizing it. The messages become fewer, conversations become shorter, and eventually, the silence feels louder than every conversation you once shared. You keep waiting for a message, a call, or some sign that the person you miss still remembers you. Even when people leave, memories remain, appearing unexpectedly through photographs, songs, places, and ordinary moments that suddenly feel meaningful. You replay old conversations, wondering what went wrong, what you could change, and whether another decision might have saved everything. Sometimes you search for answers that may never arrive, because not every ending comes with an explanation or satisfying reason. You may never receive the apology you wanted, the explanation you needed, or the final conversation you deserved. People change as they grow, and sometimes their new direction no longer matches the direction you were choosing. You can love someone deeply, but you cannot force them to stay when their heart has already chosen another direction. You can give someone your time, loyalty, patience, and love, yet sometimes they still choose a completely different path. Acceptance doesn't mean you stopped caring, it means you finally understand that some things are simply outside your control. One closed door may hurt deeply, but it doesn't mean your entire future has suddenly disappeared. If you spend all your time looking behind you, you may miss the beautiful possibilities waiting directly ahead. The world doesn't stop because your heart is hurting. People continue living, mornings arrive, and another day quietly begins. Every difficult night eventually becomes morning, and slowly, you begin discovering that your pain is becoming easier to carry. Your life still contains opportunities you haven't discovered, experiences you haven't lived, and dreams you haven't even imagined yet. There are people you haven't met yet who may someday become important parts of your life and your future. There are places you haven't seen and journeys you haven't taken, waiting beyond the chapter that recently ended. You haven't met your future self yet, and you cannot imagine how strong you may become after surviving everything. Never judge your entire life by one painful chapter, because one difficult experience cannot define your complete story. Sometimes feeling lost is simply part of discovering where you truly belong and what direction your life should take. Sometimes things fall apart because they were never meant to remain exactly the way they once were. When something breaks, you can slowly rebuild yourself, piece by piece, until your life begins feeling whole again. Pain feels permanent when you're inside it, but feelings change, time moves, and even the deepest wounds can eventually become lighter. The pain that once made you feel weak can eventually become the strength that helps you face tomorrow. Failure can teach lessons that success cannot, showing you what matters, what needs changing, and where you should grow. You are allowed to start again, change your direction, and create a future that looks completely different from your original plan. You don't need every answer today. Sometimes you only need enough courage to take one small step forward. Some days will feel heavy, and that's okay. You don't have to be strong every moment to keep moving. Resting doesn't mean giving up. Sometimes your heart simply needs time to breathe before you continue your journey. Healing doesn't mean forgetting the past. It means remembering it without allowing those memories to control your present. Letting go doesn't mean you never cared. It means you finally choose peace over holding on to something that already ended. Forgive yourself for mistakes, wrong decisions, and things you didn't understand then. You were learning while living through them. Stop chasing people who have already chosen another direction. Your peace should never depend on someone's decision to stay. Moving forward begins when you choose yourself again. Protect your dignity, and stop sacrificing your peace for someone else. Don't abandon yourself because someone left. Their decision cannot erase your value, your dreams, or the person you can become. Your worth existed before they entered your life, and it remains exactly the same after they decide to leave. Sometimes protecting your peace means walking away from arguments, unnecessary drama, and situations that repeatedly make your heart feel exhausted. Take the energy you once used chasing someone and use it to build yourself, your future, your confidence, and your dreams. Your dreams didn't disappear because one part of your life changed. They are still waiting for you to pursue them. Keep walking even without knowing exactly where you are going, because sometimes clarity appears only after you begin moving. Remember, every difficult day you survived, the moments you thought would destroy you are now proof that you can continue. Your future is still unwritten, so don't allow an old chapter to convince you that you already know the ending. Maybe what ended wasn't your life. Maybe it was simply one chapter preparing you for something completely different and better. People change, things go wrong, plans fail, and relationships end, but life continues, and you must continue living too. Your story isn't over. There are still people, places, dreams, and beautiful moments waiting somewhere ahead of you. People change, things go wrong, but remember this: life goes on, so keep moving, keep believing, and never give up. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment and tell us what you think. Thank you for watching.